Good morning from the Central Illinois Weather Network. I'm Larry Eastep. Just before 1 a.m. on this Tuesday, actually Wednesday morning now, and we do have a number of severe storms over Central Illinois right now. You can see behind me Storm Predator showing a massive line of storms moving toward the east across the Illinois River Valley right now. This line has a history of producing wind damage and also some tornadoes as it moved through portions of
Tornado
Iowa.
vortex
And
signature detected.
as you can hear, we're getting reports on radar signatures of possible tornadic rotation. Right now, severe thunderstorm warnings are the only type of warnings with this line, but that does not mean at any time that a tornado warning may not be issued. So let's go to Storm Lab and show you in a little bit more detail here what we're talking about with this line. This line here is stretching from just to the west of Peoria right now to just to the west of Jacksonville and moving to the east at around 40 miles an hour. You can see a severe thunderstorm watch stretches from Normal down through Springfield and out to the west. That's in effect until 5 a.m. The main concern is going to be this initial line of storms as it moves through over the next couple of hours over portions of central Illinois. And this line, again, has been packing a pretty good punch with winds in excess of 60 miles an hour and hail up to 1.5 inches possible. We've had a number of reports of quarter-sized hail over the past half hour or so, but pretty much the entire line has been warned for severe thunderstorms across central Illinois now, and we'll see those warnings extend to the east gradually as they already are approaching the Sangamon County border here. We have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect till 1:45 for Cass, Fulton, Knox, Mason, Menard, Peoria, Stark, and Tazewell County. Expecting 60-mile-an-hour winds and 1-inch hail with this storm movement to the east at 50 miles an hour with that storm, or with that part of the line rather. Then we also have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 1 a.m., so that's about ready to expire for Adams County, Brown, Pike in Illinois, Audrain, Boone, Marion, Monroe, Pike, and Rawls County in Missouri. And then we have new warnings coming down the pike with these storms as well. Cass, Fulton, Knox, and Schuyler counties until 1:15 this morning. A severe thunderstorm warning there. We're getting some reports off the wire here just in the past few minutes. Cuba in Fulton County, a estimated 60-mile-per-hour wind gust there. In the past half hour, there's been estimated 55 to 60 mile an hour wind gusts through portions of northeastern Missouri. About an hour ago, power lines down in Lewistown in northeastern Missouri, and about a half hour ago, 1 mile east of Quincy in Adams County, a thunderstorm wind gust of 60 miles an hour. We're now getting a tornado warning just coming over. This tornado warning will take you back here and show you as this is just now coming over, and we are seeing this outlined here on Stormlab, a tornado warning being issued until 1:45 Central Time for persons in northeastern Fulton County, southeastern Knox County, and Peoria County in central Illinois. Again, this till 1:45 Central Time. At 12:55 Central Time, so about 3 minutes ago, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near Farmington, or 9 miles north of Canton, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Folks in the path of this storm would be in Farmington, Yates City, Elmwood, Trivoli, Brimfield, Elmore, Laura, Princeville, Dunlap, Kickapoo, Monica, and Alta. Again, that's a tornado warning for folks in northeastern Fulton, southeastern Knox, and Peoria counties until 1:45 this morning. That would be right in line with what we're showing you here on Storm Lab. We were looking at these 3 TVS signatures that very clearly are showing up here. The first one just to the east-northeast of Cuba, the second one just to the west of Farmington, and the third one just to the south of I-74 between Knoxville and Elmwood. All 3 of these have had pretty good signatures on them. We're looking at storm tops around 46,000 feet, and again, these TVS signatures, we'll put a couple pathcasts on here and tell you what we're looking at. This would be in Farmington about right now. If this is producing a tornado, it is capable of producing a tornado at any time. Hannah City at 109, West Peoria at 117, Peoria at 119, Peoria Heights at 120. So in the next 20 minutes or so into those areas. Let's look at these other 2 TVS signatures and put pathcast on those, because any one of these 3 could be the area that spawns a tornado. These may be short-lived, these could be long-lived, they also could be wrapped in rain. Williamsfield, about right now, about 1 minute from now, 101. Wyoming at 111. Sparland at 120. Lakin at 121. Let's go down here to this cell here. Okay, we're getting an update here on the pathcaster. We lost one of the TVS signatures, which is a good thing. The other two now are firmly in the path of this warning, and we will again put a pathcast on this and see if anything's changed on this. This would bring it into Hannah City by 109. Peoria by 118 now. Rome by 126. And the other TVS signature is now recalculating, so we'll try to get an update on that here shortly. But again, that's what that part of the cell looks like. Now we got to look at this situation down in Fulton County as well, with the lower edge of this line that also has this warning. Any area here could potentially spawn up a tornado as these storms move to the east. They're going to brush I-72, it looks like, and go just to the north of I-72. Probably the northern portion of Sangamon County is going to get some hail. Now we're looking at some hail here right now along and just north of I-72. Let's put a pathcast on that. Hail up to 1 inch. Meridosha by 120, Virginia by 148, Jacksonville by 150, and Woodson by 154. So the southern end of this line also has the potential of some large hail, but the biggest concern right now, again, a tornado warning in effect until 1:45 for Fulton, Knox, and Peoria County. Let's go over quickly to velocity here and show you that particular area that we're watching. We're going to move up here, and we are seeing the reds and greens starting to mix together there between Elmwood and Farmington. Nothing real concrete here right at the moment at ground level, at least not from radar at this angle, but we are seeing, looks like some there just to the south of 74. That would be a good 10 miles or so south of Williamsfield. Anywhere along this path here in the red border, again, including Elmwood, Brimfield, looks like Princeville and Dunlap, all in the path of this possible tornado. Tornado warning in effect for another 45 minutes until 1:45 this morning. So that is the latest as we have it now. More updates if needed throughout the night from the Central Illinois Weather Network.